Every sign.
Not every sign, but
We gotta start this 3-hour ride.
squirrel. 7K in, gel number 1. Let's go.
That's good. Father, what do you want to do?
Oh, oh yeah. That'll be good for the video. Thanks for taking the bike lane. It is 3K.
Yeah, I think
we missed a K in here.
Yeah.
We didn't go far enough, but yeah, 50 at the bottom and 116, 17.
Why don't we just
18 to the top? Yeah.
Keep going on Ginters and
through Ginters to 22nd and back.
yeah.
Yeah. That'll add a kilometer and a half to 2K. I'm gonna start 31. All right.
Let's do it.
Whew. 17-kilometer pit stop. Seemed to have lost a kilometer. Halfway there.
About to get a ticket.
Parking cops are coming. There it is. You made it.
Too bad you're 130 meters ahead.
I better say 30 on it.
Back to the start.
0. What do you think? Would you recommend it?
I recommend it. It's a great trail.
You're here first, folks. Do the trail.